Hello traders, this is a quick video on the DAX intraday strategy. I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame on the DAX index, and we actually came into this trade. Actually, as you can see, we got a running profit of about 320 pounds over here at the moment. Now, what is the basis of this strategy and why did we enter it, where we're entering it, how are we running it, how are we going to trail our stop loss? We're going to be talking about this and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Up on here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on the DAX, and as I showed you a bit more earlier over here, as you can see, we are up about a little bit close to about 300 pounds. It's just come back a little bit down at the moment. What is the whole rationale behind this strategy? It is that we are applying the stretch principle, which we have done a lot of videos, which you can check on our YouTube channel as well, which I'm also going to be publishing on the TradingView platform too. But the whole essence is that when a bottom is confirmed by our smart money indicator over here, which we have quantified according to the quants mentorship, which started actually in the 1960s, we enter on the close of the bar, and what we have done over here is actually we have put a stop loss for the low, which is around there. And then eventually, how are we trailing it when an interruption is cleared?
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
So an interruption for us is basically over here, where it retraced back, and the last low it went to before it started to resume on its journey on the upside. So then my trailing stop loss would now be for the low, and that's over there. And in terms of my target, that's going to be for the range of the day. So what we actually do, we go on to the daily time frame, which I've mentioned before, and I take a look at the ATR from yesterday, and I do 80% of that. Okay, and I apply that onto the 1 hour time frame, and for the range to be fulfilled for today. Okay. So if I were to take a look, where is my range going to be? My range is going to be at this point over here, and that is 15888. So I go on to my trading view chart over here just to show you representatively. 15888 is where I'm putting my target, and in terms of that, I want to put a green line, and there you go, all representatively all over here. 15888 is what we are going for. Now, however, I do want to caution you that at the moment, whatever that you're seeing over here, it's not realized profit, is it not? It's not realized profit. We just know our strategy, know our edge, and we execute our plan consistently and according to our rules, okay, with patience, right? So the law of numbers will play itself out. So that's what we're going to be doing here. I'm going to be looking at this every 1 hour and trail it accordingly towards getting to my target, and I will keep updating you guys and do a later on an end of day trading video at the close of the day, and we'll see how this trade performs. All right, so that's all from me on this video, and of course some of you who are not sure of any other terminologies that is being used or want to learn about it professionally, even for beginner or intermediate traders, please do check out our Trader Starter Pack 5-day free video course, designed for professional and intermediate traders. It has been designed over 12 years of collected research with 38 years of cumulative experience in our team. Okay, so you can check that out at www.traderstarterpack.com. Okay, so I quickly just show you over here, www.traderstarterpack.com, just over there. and then you can go ahead and you can register for it. It's free. It's really good content. I really highly encourage you guys. You can learn about this whole concept of open equity, where the whole key is knowing how much move is left upon point of entry. Okay, so that's all on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.